Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how we can easily block a user in Fansly. So I'm on the profile of someone. I can't really show it because of the YouTube video. You want to be on a profile, and then when you're going to be on profile, you're going to have the three dots next to the tip. Then click on the three dots here, and then what you can do is to simply click block user. Click on a block user, and it's blocked. No contact, no anything. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. And if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.